Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Skillset Co. In the last video, we have designed a login screen with username, password, sign in button using a linear layout. So in this video, we will design a same screen with using a relative layout. So in linear layout, we have just added all the views in an order, and linear layout will be taken care to structure them in a vertical manner. So as we have mentioned, the orientation vertical. So let's change linear layout to relative layout and just see what will happen to this structure. Just change to relative layout. So as you can see, the root element is relative layout, no more linear layout. That's why there is no linear structure. So how to make them as linear? So we need to mention to each view and where the text view should position in the screen. So in linear layout, we have not mentioned, or we have no relationship between these text views like username, password, sign in button. There is no relation between these views. But in relative layout, we need to have a relation between every view to position it correctly. So this is the first text view. It will be top, and this is the second text, and this should be below this text view. And there is one attribute, layout below. So Android layout below. So it should be below of this text view. So every view will have an ID, and the view of this ID, the ID of this text view is result text. So just mention text result text here, ID result text. So as soon as we mention this attribute, it should be below this text view. Then it came to below that text view. And password should be below this username. So add same attribute and add its ID. Layout below. Add the ID of this username. ID is edit text person name. We can change IDs. Presently we can keep like this. So password came below of username, and we need to bring sign in button to below password. So add same attribute, layout below of edit text password. So as you can see, now all the views are aligned in a vertical manner, and because we have mentioned a relationship between these views. So in previous layout, we used gravity center horizontal, so everything came in a center. So here if you see, sign in button starts from left side, but it should be in center part. So let's remove this gravity here, and let's add attribute for every view inside. Center horizontal. So layout center horizontal, if you mention it true, then that view will be centered. So as you can see, this text view came to center. Let's add a same attribute for all other views. So add it for button also. Now you can see this is the same design we have designed using a linear layout. With the relative layout, we have used attributes to relate to all views, and this is one such attribute we used, layout below, to structure. But we have many such attributes like layout top, layout to right of. Suppose if you want to keep password to the right of username, we have, so presently we have mentioned it should be below username, but we will mention it should be right side of username. So to right of. So we have many attributes here. Use to right of. So if you mention it should be right side of username, if you can see, password is right side of username, but we have not mentioned it should be below second activity. That's why it is going up. So we need to have one more attribute layout below of this second activity. What is the idea of that? It is result text. So as you can see, we have mentioned it should be right side of username and it should be below second activity, so it came like this. So to view it properly, just remove center horizontal for username and password. Just remove this. So as you can see, the username and password are side by side. So if you want to design this screen with the linear layout, we cannot design with a single linear layout. We need to have a nested linear layout. One linear layout is for all these elements in to put it vertically, and one more linear layout internally for to have horizontal line for username and password. But with the relative layout, we can do these kind of designs. And we have so many attributes, like suppose if you want to keep button to the bottom of parent, we have an attribute parent bottom, layout align parent bottom. Let's make it 2. It is increasing the size of sign in. So why? Because we have mentioned sign in should be below this password and it also should be at the end of parent. That's why it is satisfying 2 attributes. If you remove this one, it should be below password, then it will reduce and it will be go to end. Let's remove this one. So as you can see, it went to bottom. So like this, we have so many attributes to explore in a relative layout. So the main advantage of relative layout is we can design any type of screen with the relative layout, but in the linear layout, we can design only the linear structure, either horizontal line or vertical line. We can design these things with the linear layout also, but we need to have a nested linear layouts. I hope you like this video and understood about the linear layout and what is the difference between linear layout and relative layout. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.